Thank you so much, LGBTQIA plus community of City of Love, Iloilo City. Wow, I'm so grateful. I was one of the gamers during the guest performance of Mr. Jake Ejercito at Crossroad Concert, Uswag, Ilonggo Party Lists at Plaza La Paz, Iloilo City. So thank you so much, aring akong prize. I was chosen, top 3 kami for the 3 questions. The first question is about pickup lines. The second question is about the place kung diin gusto mo dalon si Jake. And the third question is food. So I chose talaba or oyster and I won the third question.